nice. That shit was weird. Well, I got the valves on, so it's not that loud. I'm open the valves. Damn, that's what the valves open. Go get some gas. This shit's always empty. Fuck. Full tank lasts like 1 day, dude. $4.99 for some 91, bro. That shit's pricey. Yep. See a Corvette right there? Should look nice. Why is he parking in the middle though? Like, bro, people gotta get gas, bro. Take my money. Rocking Forest today. Got it? I should look clean. Yeah, I should look sexy.
Run up in your shit, looting for the right amount. You want to kill it to the face, fucking.
This is super cold for your eyes. Is she cold? Look at his i8. Kobe. That shit is hard. Another i8. I need an IE. Easy. This one goes up. Check. Bro, whose mans is this? Some BBS's. Man, that shit's clean. Nice. Thick ass painting. We're about to go to Rodeo. See if it's popping over there. See some nice cars. If not, I'm sorry. we were just at Melrose, but I forgot to vlog. There was some nice cars too. It was like Rolls Royce and stuff. Whoa! Big ass pothole, yo. Holy shit. Look at this California. Oh, fucking hole. God damn, bro. You know what's crazy? I still haven't broke my lip, my GT4 lip. And it's been like 2 years. Oh shit. God damn, bro. These roads are bad.
Because deep.
I know, that shit was big. I'm like, my car hit, right?
Yeah.
My car is bouncy. What the fuck, dude?
At least you get free massage.
Free massage.
Oh shit.
You guys want to see Santa Claus? Look. Santa Claus is real, guys. Reindeers could fly, Alexa. Bro, what you got in there, bro? That shit loud. Run it! So loud, bro. Holy shit. You guys hear that? What the fuck?
I see a lot of people have that, but
Some random times it'll be some cool cars, but is that a E46 M3 fool? What is this called again?
hot sake.
We're drinking some hot sake and some finger food.
We got some intestine, chicken dessert, mushroom, and scallop.
I'm kind of buzzed already. It's our second bottle.
One eternity later.
Gotta go watch Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
You're welcome. We're about to go watch Spider-Man. It's been like what, almost 2 weeks. Spider-Man came out. We're gonna go watch it. Watch it, watch it. We're about to go eat some 908. It's like a bar lounge. Watch the Laker game. So here's my outfit. Yep.